Hello everyone. Welcome back to Jess Quick News Broadcast. I'm Jess from J. Huxtello iTech, here to guide you through the process of registering for the Government of Ghana E-Payslip as a new employee. This step-by-step tutorial will help you activate your E-Payslip account so you can monitor your salary payments, SSNIT contributions, taxes, loans, insurance, and other deductions with ease. Let's get started. To activate your E-Payslip, follow these 7 simple steps. Step 1. Contact your validator, who could be your head of school, head of department, unit head, or hour. Ask them to generate a code for you. Make sure to provide your staff ID to your validator for this purpose. Step 2. Open your browser on your computer or phone. This could be Chrome, Opera Mini, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Step 3. In the address bar, type https://www.gogpayslip.com/ and hit enter or go. Step 4. Once the link opens, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Register for E-Payslip. Step 5. Provide the necessary details in the fields. Enter your employee number or staff ID, the registration code generated by your validator, a secure password that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess, your active email address, and your active phone number. Step 6. Click on Next. A one-time password, OTP, will be sent to the phone number you provided. Step 7. Enter the confirmation OTP to confirm your number. Once you've done that, your E-Payslip portal will be ready to use. That's it. With these 7 simple steps, you can activate your E-Payslip account and have full control over monitoring your salary payments and deductions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.